Good morning, it's Joan here from Bear Mountain Boats. I'm at the Lee Valley store in Ottawa, Ontario. Ted's favorite spot to shop and a mecca for Canadian woodworkers for a few generations now. I'm here to announce the winners of our On the Water video contest, which we dreamed up last spring, and we asked people to send us videos of them actually paddling their canoes. We received many wonderful photos from customers of showing the canoes they've built and the building process, but one thing we were really curious about was where are the boats being used and who's using them? So Matt, who works on our social media, dreamed up a contest. We had people send in their submissions, and I'm here to announce the winners of the contest. We have some great prizes here. We have signed copies of Nick Offerman's book, Good Clean Fun, copies of Ted's books that he's written and our DVD. The runners-up are André Martel, who built an Endeavour kayak, and Jim White from Illinois, who built a Prospector canoe. And they will be receiving some Bear Mountain t-shirts and also free subscriptions to Rapid Media's paddling magazines. Third place winner is Lauren Pacho and Reid Shaeffer. They built a Bob Special and did an amazing job. They squeezed in under the deadline for the contest, launching and paddling their canoe on Christmas Eve. It was very cold. They had moved from Florida to Illinois. They built the most beautiful canoe, and there's a good discussion on their video where they talked about all the different woods that they used. So they are the winners of the third prize, and they will receive a signed copy of Good Clean Fun and also one of our model canoe kits. The second place winner is Frazer Johnson from Dundas, Ontario. Frazer built a beautiful Endeavour kayak and a Prospector. He shows in his video he and his son paddling and going off on canoe trips. They even have a wonderful shot of a moose to end off the video. First prize goes to Chad Gehring. Chad lives in Payson Lakes, Utah. He built a Ranger, which is a great boat to paddle, and he has lovely shots of it paddling. He talks about, in the video, he talks about how much it meant to him as a woodworker to be able to make something that he can use and that he'll be able to pass on to his family. The grand prize, which is being awarded to Chad, is a $500 gift certificate to Lee Valley Tools. So he will be receiving that shortly. And we would like to thank everyone who entered our contest and submitted videos to us. We would like to thank you so much. It's really rewarding for us to see what you do with our plans and some of our advice combined with your own creativity. So thanks very much. We really appreciate it.